Hey there, for all you guys that are Blazer fans and you want to watch the Blazers this year, 24-25 season. You can watch almost every game for free. If they're not national televised, they'll be on this free over-the-air channel 2.2 in the local area here. The way I did it is I went and bought this little antenna on Amazon for like $25. I'll put a link to it in the description. But you just plug that into the back of the TV, to the antenna input on the back of the TV. And then you get in the program of the TV and just tell it to do a search for the digital antenna. And it'll find all the digital channels that can pull up. I am getting about 30 channels with this sitting right here in my living room. I'm watching games for free, no service needed. Anyway, guys, I'll now show you the hookup in the back, and then we'll program the TV. Okay, we're behind the TV now. This antenna that we got has two wires to hook up. One is the coax hookup, and it just hooks up to the antenna in. Okay, and the other one is a USB port. And you can plug it into the back of your TV to a USB port on the back of the TV. That way, when the TV turns on, it powers up that USB port, which powers that antenna. Okay, if you don't have one of these on the back of the TV, you can get a cell phone charger or anything to plug a USB into, and just plug it into an outlet, and that'll power that. Okay, let's show you guys now how to program it. Okay, guys, so now we're going to auto tune this antenna. So we're going to go over here to auto program, just hit the enter button, and then it'll say start. And we just want the air. We don't want to do cable because I'm not hooked up to cable. So we're going to just do air for the air antenna, and it'll start searching. This will probably take for me, it's, I don't know, maybe a minute. It'll do this. Some of you, if you've got a lot more channels, it might take longer. I was thinking about stopping this, but it's going pretty quick. I think probably not even going to be a minute. We should get about 20-30 channels, I think is what we had. And the Blazers, if they're not on regular TV, unlike ABC, they'll be on 2.2. That's digital 2.2. That's how you'll find it. It'll actually be a 2-2. I'll show you here in a minute. Like I said, I'm out by Mount Hood, so it's, for me to get 30 channels with that little antenna sitting in my house, that's pretty dang good. Let's go ahead and close this. Oops, wrong button. Close it. Let's return, exit out of that. So that is one of the channels. That's just a fireplace that they put up there. Pretty cool. But yeah, just channel up. There's ABC, so that's 2.1, regular channel 2. And then NBA basketball 2.2. That'll be where the games are. If it's a national televised game, it will not be on here. It'll be on regular TV. But every other game is supposed to be on this channel. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.